Hi guys, my name is Jessica Grace Reyes and I'm going to be doing a quick lash demo for you. This is my daughter Marisa. She is a junior in high school and she got invited to prom this year. I thought it'd be fun to share a live video with my daughter. I went ahead and popped one of the lashes on already, and I went ahead and I used our new little scissors that came out to trim them. I measured her eye and then I trimmed off the outer end. You always want to trim off the outer end, not the inner end of the eyelash. So I went ahead and did that with the scissors, and then I'm going to use our handy little tool. I love this lash tool, this lash applicator. I love the way it curves because it really holds on to the lashes. And then I'll show you right now another little trick why I like it. And our glue is also amazing. So I chose these Bella lashes for my daughter because she's a little more conservative when it comes to wearing makeup, and she also wears glasses. But I chose the Bellas because they're silk and luxe. They still have that luxe, like full fluffy feeling of the other lashes, the more like fluffier ones like the Vivian or the Miss or even the Erica, you know, those real va va voom lashes. But they are still petite enough that you can wear them with glasses, or like my daughter, you know, someone who wants just a little bit of a lash volume, but you know, they want to look more natural. So that's why I chose the Bella lash for her. So as you can see, when you put the glue on, you see how it kind of has like a blue little bit of a hint. So you want to blow on it a little bit until it dries down, until it's almost disappeared. You see how it's starting to disappear over here on the end? So that's how you know when the glue is tacky enough and ready to be applied to her eyelash. Because if you apply it straight right away, it's gonna wiggle all over the place and it's not gonna stick where you want it to. So I'm gonna apply this right on her lash line and just hold it there for a second and then release and let go. And it pretty much like stays on. And then you want to go back with your lash tool and just adjust it where you need to. Turn this way. So yeah, her lashes are pretty much on. Now, like I said, another little trick and why I love the way these were engineered. I love the design of this lash tool because, come closer. What is nice about this curve is it fits right into right here, the curvature of your eyelashes, and it allows you to hug if you want a little bit of a closer, like tight line effect between your lashes and the false lashes. This, you can just take it in and hug real nicely, and because of the curve, you don't have to worry about pinching yourself. Did I pinch you? No. No? And so there's the Bella lash. Get a little closer so they can see. Look down. Put your glasses on real quick. Does it feel like you're wearing any lashes? No. So this is her first time wearing lashes this luxe. I've applied like outer corner lashes on her before when she went to Winter Ball. Was it Winter Ball?
Homecoming.
Homecoming, like 2 years ago when she was a sophomore. So this is like the fullest lash she's ever worn. How does it feel?
Feels really nice.
Yeah? Feels comfortable? Okay, good. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this lash demo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm super excited to be a part of this amazing company. We are women standing together, inspiring each other, uplifting each other, and I was so excited to share this with my oldest daughter. I have 4 girls, by the way, and she is my oldest. She's 16, and my youngest is 20 months. So anyway, happy Mother's Day to all you mamas.